Kia's performance future. The EV8 GT could replace the Stinger. Kia discontinued the Stinger, but the company's Meta Turismo JT concept hints at a high-performance electric successor. This reimagining of the concept as the EV8 GT could fill the void left by the Stinger, blending aggressive styling with cutting-edge EV technology. The Meta Turismo wasn't merely a design exercise. It showcased a bold vision for where Kia's performance ambitions are headed. Design, retro-futuristic aggression. Kia's opposites unite, design philosophy mixing soft curves with sharp angles would define the EV8 GT. The production model would retain the concept's wedge-like proportions inspired by 1960s Grand Tourers, but with a more grounded and aggressive aesthetic reminiscent of Lamborghini. The front fascia would feature a low-set tiger nose, grille, and an active lattice design, enhanced with carbon fiber elements on the splitter, side skirts, and hood. From the side, a fastback roofline and cab-forward stance would create a sleek profile, with flush door handles and traditional pillars. The rear would be restrained yet striking, sporting a halo effect LED light bar and a functional diffuser. Interior, tech-forward and driver-focused, the cabin would tone down the Meta Turismo concept's dramatic flair while retaining its driver-centric approach. Key features like an augmented reality head-up display and smart glass would remain, complemented by deeper AI integration, including conversational voice interfaces and tools like ChatGPT. Performance. Electric powerhouse, the EV8 GT would likely ride on Hyundai Motor Group's eGMP platform, offering 800-volt capability and V12 V2G functionality. Adaptive damping, torque vectoring, and rear-biased all-wheel drive would ensure a balance between comfort and performance. Kia's dual-motor setups are already capable of 650 horsepower. The EV8 GT could surpass this, targeting a 0-60 mph time under 3 seconds. Simulated gear shifting and synthetic noise generation would mimic the experience of a traditional high-performance car. A 100 kWh LFP battery pack would provide a WLTP range exceeding 435 miles, 700 km. While solid-state batteries would be ideal, commercial viability remains distant. Competition. A crowded field, the EV8 GT would enter a competitive market, facing rivals such as the Polestar 5, Tesla Model S, Xiaomi SU7, Huawei's Luxeed S7, Lucid Air, and Audi A6 e-tron. Kia's decision to discontinue the Stinger leaves a gap in its lineup that the EV8 GT could effectively fill. By embracing electric power and bold design, Kia has the opportunity to create a halo model that redefines its performance image. The EV8 GT isn't just a replacement for the Stinger. It's a statement about Kia's commitment to a high-performance, electric future.